This time I actually know where I'm going, and it's the abandoned resort in Laem Thian. This is a better known hike in Koh Tao, the hike to Laem Thian, the abandoned resort. You need to follow the main road north, turn right at the crossroads, follow the main road up the hill, and turn right at Tarnal Line Resort. A little further up the hill you will see some bikes parked by the wall. This is where you can leave your bike. Once you park your bike, it's a 45-minute hike. The first part of the hike is the hardest. You need to climb a hill, which will take you about 10 minutes, and after that it's flat. I'm pretty sure I know where I'm going, so this time I shouldn't get lost in the jungle. I'm feeling a lot better compared to my previous hike, but maybe it's just the hill, it's not as steep. I'm getting there little by little. A couple of more hikes like this.
You silly brain, enough of this slow band. I don't want to hear another stupid idea.
Crap, I don't remember if it's left or right. Looks like the jungle is left, so I'm gonna go left. Maybe I will get lost after all. Alright, from here on it should be downhill, if I'm going the right way. This is how quiet it is. It's really freaking me out.
I don't want to hear another stupid idea of yours. You can cut me up in pieces. Stop my lung support.
I'm actually feeling really good. I didn't have to stop that much, like only on the climb of the hill like once or twice. This feels alright. I think that trail leads to Mao Bay, a small beach. But I don't know. Well, I'll check it out anyways. It's way too quiet here. Way too quiet. There's a goat here. I hope he's not gonna attack me. Yeah, I have no idea where I am and what I found. Yeah, I think this is Mao Bay, but I'm not sure. It looks like somebody is living here, and it looks like I'm a bit of trespassing. But the view is really nice here. I'm not going to climb down because knowing me, I'm gonna slip on those rocks and break my neck, which I don't want to happen. I'm gonna go back, climb back up the hill, and go look for the abandoned resort. There's actually two goats, and they came charging down the hill and scared me. I am not welcomed here. Alright, yeah, I made it. Alright, I made it and I'm completely by myself here. They actually cleaned this place up because there used to be a huge piles of rubbish here, which is really nice. The only thing I know, the resort was abandoned in 2015. Why, I have no idea, but probably because it's a pain in the ass to get to here. You can actually do a lazy Laem Thian If you're a decent swimmer and you have fins with you, you can go to Tanout Beach. That's Tanout Rock over there, and you can swim over here, which takes about 10-15 minutes. It's still a private property, so do be respectful here. Some people used to live here, look after it, but I haven't seen anyone yet. This was really nice. Usually the water is like 28-29 degrees, but the past month was quite a bit rainy, so the water is a little bit colder, like 26-27 degrees Celsius. After the hike I did, this is really refreshing. It's actually a really nice place. It's just pain in the ass to get here. Let's go to the second floor. Let's check out the second floor. This is like an artwork gallery. That's Shark Island over there. Apparently it's called Shark Island because it looks like a fin of a shark. To me it looks like just another stupid rock. There's only like 10 rooms here. Let's climb up the roof. Now this is super nice. Time for plank. The view is really nice here, and I'm completely by myself. Another 6 months or a year of COVID, and I reckon there will be more hikes to abandoned resorts in Koh Tao. Alright, it's an hour and 20 minutes till sunset. It's time to get back. I made it to my bike. I installed the stupid app on my phone. Let's see how much distance I actually covered today. So it's 9,000 steps, 630 calories burned. My walk was an hour and a half, and I covered 7 kilometers. This app is bullshit because I covered way more ground.